It's not mine.
I don't feel panty this.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
What you doing?
Excuse me?
No.
Are you shit?
Yeah. Why it take so long?
What you mean?
It's taking mad long to come in, yo.
What's going on here?
What do you mean?
Why is the seat leaned back?
Shit.
Why
I was laying down over there.
Is the seat leaned back?
Just come in the car, please.
Get in the car.
Come on.
Who is in
Go up. Nobody was not in here. Come on.
Who's in the car?
It's okay now. Nobody was not in here.
Back?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what? You playing with me.
Nobody's in the
Why
car.
was the seat leaned back?
Nobody was not in here. It was me and you was in here.
Nobody was in here? Nobody. Oh. Nobody was in here though, right?
Babe, you don't remember last night?
Nobody was in here though?
Last night, man, you was in the car. We were about to get done dirty. You don't remember? And things happened. You don't remember? And then your friend called us and we're like, fuck it, we're going to do that later. And then we leave. You don't remember that? That's why the condom is right in here. What do you mean?
I think you lying.
You don't remember? Oh, you was drunk. That's why. That's why you don't remember, yo.
So where's the bottle?
Bottle. We'll bring the bottle. Remember me and your friend was drinking. We'll bring the bottle to your friend. You don't remember that?
Hold on.
What are you doing? You see? I'm not lying. Like I'm cheating. I told you I do not do nothing.
Alright, no, you got that one.
Damn, yo, y'all just made me feel bad like I'm the bad one. Like I'm the one who always cheated.
Cause you was always cheating.
That was a long time ago. Sure. Like, yeah.
I'm still not convinced about this condom though.
It's last night. You just see the text message on your phone.
Yeah, I know, but
You just don't believe me, yo. Like,
but why was the seat leaned back? I'm still not convinced about this seat being leaned back.
It's not that you know that we're about to get them.
I don't remember that.
What are you doing? What are you looking for? What? What
the fuck? Are you shitting me? Not cheating. What do you mean? Are you shitting me?
Yeah.
Are you shitting me,
Where this come from?
bro? You shitting me? You shitting me?
I don't know it.
What do you mean? You not cheating? What do you mean? What the
Hold on, babe. Hold on. Babe, you know you don't know where this, babe.
Who is not mine?
Babe, I don't feel panty this.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
What you doing?
Excuse me?
No.
Are you shit?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Sorry, babe.
Seriously? And she walks off?
I don't know where she come from.
You don't know where she come from? But this shit is in your car!
Babe, I don't know who that now, babe. I don't know where she never come from. Oh, where you do, babes? Where you do?
You know I got friends in high places. I'm calling Trump.
You call that Trump?
That's it.
For?
That's it. Ice! Ice! I'm calling Ice. I am calling Ice.
Yes, we can't let everything Ice. Ice that yard.
I am calling Ice.
Ice that yard.
I am calling Ice. Hello? Hello? He's beating me. He has no papers. He has to be Ice! Ah!
Guys, thank you guys for watching our next Yaadvybz TV video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow up our Instagram at
Fashionably Bitchy at FASHIONABLYBITCHY. There you go. Follow your girl. Hey.
Okay. And follow our manager. Follow her up on Instagram at
Consult Shar, CONSULT Shar, SHAR. Let's go. Shout out to Yardy making this happen.
Yep.
And I don't know. Yeah, you guys want to say nothing more?
Click, subscribe. Yardy
No more? What you do?
TV.
Make they know what you do. Make they know what you
I
do.
do fashion.
See, fashion. Manager, make they know what you do.
Already know, managing, handling all business, all management. Consultations are free. Business is not. Get your money up. Check out Fashionably Bitchy to get your new fashions and check out the new trends. You heard? You already know.
Yeah, so people, make sure. I'll put an Instagram name on it and just make sure you follow them. Understand? If you need them for anything, just hit the manager up over here. Manager for her. You know, anything you need, go through her. Thank you.